Located just southeast of downtown Los Angeles, Southgate is a working city built on consistency, culture, and local drive. From auto repair shops and grocery stores to fitness studios and family-run restaurants, business owners here know how to keep things moving. But while the energy is non-stop, access to funding doesn't always keep pace. Many small businesses still face delays, credit restrictions, or complex paperwork when trying to secure working capital. At New York Fast Funding, we offer a simpler path. If your business earns $10,000 or more per month and has been operating for at least 6 months, you may qualify for fast, flexible funding, with no hard credit checks and no unnecessary steps. Whether you're investing in new tools, meeting rising demand, or stabilizing cash flow, we help businesses take the next step. In Southgate, businesses stay active. Now your funding can too. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.